Hi, I'm Chris Wright, Product Manager over the visualization experience at Domo. In this month's Domo Drop, I'm going to talk to you about a few small but impactful enhancements to Domo's BI capabilities that will give you more flexibility as you're working in apps and dashboards. Listening to our customers and implementing your product feedback is very important to us at Domo. Recently, we've heard from you that you want more customizations to date variables, date filters, and page filters. We have heard you, and I'm excited to dive into the updates that we've made in these areas. Okay, the first update, date variables. I know many of you want to set a dynamic rolling default day instead of choosing it manually each time. I'm excited to share that now you can use simple syntax to define relative dates in date variables. Here's how you do it. Here, you can make the default day today or yesterday each time. By default, we've always selected as current day, but you can update it or change the syntax to make it previous day or previous week. Building on that, we're also offering improvements to date range. We've heard from people who review financial cells that it would be helpful to exclude the current time period. Well, we've heard you, and I'm glad to show you what our new enhancements do. With the new previous option, you can quickly exclude today, this week, this month, quarter, or year, and focus on completed timeframes. We have relocated the last option and is now conveniently located at the top for quick access to include the current period in your analysis. These updates will simplify your workflow while you're analyzing your data. Okay, now for our final update, the contains filter, which is in App Studio. We know that when you're working in apps, you often deal with thousands of unique filter values. In order to help you search for these and filter through them efficiently, you can now select a specific column and apply a contains filter to match specific values. Very handy. Overall, these updates help make your dashboard and app experience even more tailored and targeted to what you're trying to achieve. I'm really excited about these feature enhancements and grateful to all of you for sharing your feedback. Keep it coming. Starting today, you can jump in and try these for yourself. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on our next Domo Drop.